Now we are going to focus on one of the most effective exercises for glute development, the step up, as researched by sports medicine studies. To begin, place one foot securely on a step or a sturdy platform. The higher the step, the more glute activation you'll achieve. Keep your chest up, core tight, and make sure your shoulders are back. As you press through your front foot, drive your body upward until you're standing tall on the step. Keep your body straight and avoid leaning forward or using momentum. Slowly lower back down with control, keeping the movement smooth and steady. Complete 12 reps on one leg before switching to the other. Remember, form is key here. Focus on keeping the glutes engaged the entire time. Push yourself, but stay mindful of your body. The step height should challenge you, but not compromise your form. To progress in the step up and continue building strength, you can add weight by holding dumbbells or kettlebells in each hand. Keep your movement steady and precise. Get those glutes strong.